Good morning, Billyjack here, the Myohyoji temple still. Coming over here, I'm observing the lay of the land. To my north here, we have the sediment zone, flood zone. Here being the Nuuanu River is where it would have stopped, or the Nuuanu Stream Basin. The first observation I see is the elevation difference between the north hand side and the south hand side. Quite an elevation difference. It goes down quite a ways down over to there. This side, on the north hand side, is where the mud flooded cemetery is, right up the road. The unusual thing is we have several very large trees. I counted 3 of them up in here. A bunch of trees, but some large ones. The 3 large ones appear to be pre-mud flood trees. I originally thought that this was completely worked to bring in this high rise, which may be correct, but this high rise was brought in fairly recently. These old trees in here have been here for a long time. Especially this one right here. This is 2, you can't really tell by this photo. Get around these cars here. But there's another huge one down there. The fence goes around. That thing there, it's a pre-mud flooder. These 2 suspicious. There's no tree roots anywhere around here. They were growing here when this flood happened and just inundated this whole area with sediment. The water, of course, would have risen on both sides. You see some very large trees on the other side over there too. Billyjack over and out, Nuuanu Valley Stream, right down here by Nuuanu Street.